In this video, I am going to show you how to remove Express Checkout PayPal from Shopify. 1. From your Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to Online Stores, Themes. Click on Actions next to your current theme and select Edit Code. In the Section folder, find the cart template.liquid file. If not found, look for cart liquid in the template folder. Inside the cart template liquid or cart liquid file, find the line of code, General Cart Checkout, and pass the following code I am going to show you here, and you can find it also in the link description. Back in the Shopify admin dashboard, go to Online Stores, Themes, Actions, and Edit Code. In the Assets folder, locate the themes.scss.liquid file. Scroll to the bottom of this theme liquid file and paste the following CSS code. Now, click on Save button to apply the modifications to your Shopify theme. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.